So here's a quick video to give you the basics on our online calendar designer. So as you can see, we're in the customization module here. To get images in, we can just click here, and then I recommend getting all of your images into your folder here to begin with, at the beginning. So you can upload multiple images at a time, and you can upload JPEGs, PDF files, and PNG files. Just be aware with PDF files, it'll only give you the image for the first page. But once those are in there, then for each place you need to select an image, you can easily just select the image, crop the part of the image that you want to use, then that will pull that in. If you don't want white space, then you can increase the size of the image and recenter it. And it's going to cut where the red lines are. So we will do that. Okay. Where there's text, you can change the color to make that show up. You can change the font style. You can change the font size. Also, if you want multiple images or text, you can add images or text there. Down at the bottom here, this shows you all the pages of the calendar. So we just edited the cover. Next, for January, we could pull in an image. Let's do that one. And I like the way it's cropped already. So we'll use that. Let's do that to make sure we don't have any white space on there. Okay, when you go to the calendar months, this is where you can add, if you have birthdays or especially events you want to put in there. So you just click in there, and then you can say somebody's got a birthday. You'll notice that pops in there. We can move that to a different date. Okay, and if somebody else has got a birthday, we can copy that here and then paste. And then we can change the name to Sam there. Again, we can change the color if we want to make those stand out. Easy enough. So you do that for all the pages in the calendar. Each month, you've got images, you got custom dates. Once you're done, you click this Finish Editing button. It will give you a proof of all of those pages. You can review those and then accept them and continue, and that will put it into your cart, and then you can check out from there. So that's the basics.